Du, wann, andale.
So it is Monday. Today was supposed to be our first day of actually doing ministry stuff. We were going to meet with some... Who are we meeting with?
Afghani Christians.
Some Afghani Christians. And, but yeah, it turns out it's the Palestinian, New Year's? Persian New Year. It's the Persian New Year. So everyone's out celebrating. So that kind of got canceled. So instead, today we're going to Ikea to do some evangelism, which is super exciting. I have never been to Ikea before. And so we're going to go to Ikea in Sweden. Woo! So this is Kate. Neither of us have ever been to Ikea before. And here we go. You can be in it. So we're here at Ikea again, and Kate and I actually just talked to this really nice lady called Beat. And yeah, she was really nice and taught us a little bit of Swedish. And yeah, we really just talked to her. It was awesome. That are cool. Before coming here to YWAM, I had this really wrong perception of what evangelism really is. You know, I had the image of someone standing on a box on a street corner preaching at people about how they're going to hell and how the world is ending and then everyone's going to die and it's going to be awful. But it's not what evangelism is at all. I mean, street preaching can be a form, but really that's not the goal. It's not to condemn people, it's not to tell people what they're doing wrong. Evangelism is just being unashamed of what you believe and being unashamed of sharing who you serve. And really that's what we're doing here at Ikea. We just want to have conversations with people and hopefully talk about Jesus and really just show people how Jesus loves them. And that's really it. Marie, what is evangelism?
It's when you're a really weird Christian and go to people and talk about it that you're weird. Okay, no, we have to do this again.
Yeah, okay. Actual definition.
Now?
Yeah.
Evangelism is when you meet people and love them and just show God's love through you.
Shayla, before coming here, what did you think evangelism was?
Walking around with Bibles and coffee and offering it to people and telling them about Jesus.
Yeah. How has your perspective on evangelism changed?
I'm way more open to it now, and yeah, it's just cool. Like, every time we do it, I feel like I realize that people are way more open to the idea of it than I think, and yeah, it's cool. It's like just bringing Jesus into like everyday life is pretty fun.
Yeah. Would you recommend evangelism to your friends?
Yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Yes.
Splendid, princess, when did you
Let's let you on the party side. So today we got to spend the day hanging out with a group of Afghani refugees. Yeah, they're all Christian, and yeah, it was really cool to just be able to hang out and have fellowship with them. For the most part, not for the most part, a lot of them didn't speak English, so that was a challenge, but it was so good. I really noticed a lot of universals. Like, we went to the park in the afternoon, and just watching people hang out and just be goofy together. There's so much childlike joy, and amidst everything they've been through, they can still just hang out and laugh like kids, which was really powerful to me. We spent a lot of time with the few kids that were there, and yeah, just talking with the families and the parents and those whose families weren't there, and yeah, it was just so good to hang out with them and yeah, talk about Jesus a little bit, have some good meals, good Fika together. Yeah, the kids were so sweet. There was this one girl, she was so impressive. She spoke Farsi as well as Swedish and English, and her English was so good, so impressive. She's 6 years old. After everyone left, we were having a bit of a debriefing, and we found out that she lost her mother on the way over. You've probably seen the pictures of people coming over on the black rubber dinghies. They come over the Mediterranean Sea, and to say the least, it's not safe. And it's really not a good situation. A lot of people don't make it. So it's this dad and his 2 daughters, and they're here. And yeah, I just see all these people, and some of them don't even know where their families are. They could be in Afghanistan or somewhere else. They don't really know. It just really breaks my heart. But these people, they're Christian, and something that really hit me was, because they're Christian, coming from a Muslim country, that means that someone evangelized to them. And if that person hadn't taken that step of faith and stepped out of their comfort zone to share Jesus with these people, we wouldn't have met them today, and we wouldn't have had that community. They wouldn't have the community that they do. Having a faith can really change people, and it changes lives because God redeems and God brings life. That's it.